Hey everybody, Chris here, and in this particular Alegrias Picado lesson, we're going to go up the full E major scale in open position, and then go all the way back down. So it's a great exercise for the full scale in open position. Because we're using all 6 strings, I do want to bring up the idea of your thumb, and you're going to start off the strings, and then you're going to come up. By the time you get to the high E string, you're here with your thumb here. Then you come back down, and your thumb's off. Okay? At your preference. Okay? You don't have to do it. It's just recommended, and then it's going to be a little different. Some people are going to like to have it a little closer. Some people are going to like to have it further away. You're going to notice lots of players that are really fast, and they're going to have a variety of different techniques. So do what works best, but consider these options. Okay, so the big thing is, as we go up the scale, hopefully you have the written music in front of you, but we're going to go here. So it's that third string, the G string, where we have the G sharp, and then we only have those 2 notes. So just be wary of that. We have that one string only has 2 notes on it, on the ascending and the way back down. So just be on the lookout for that. That's a place where you can have a problem with your constant alternation. All right, so here we go. Let's start at 72. I'll count 10, 11, 12. The last thing is this ends on beat 10. Make sure to count 11, 12 if you do this and repeat, because I don't want you to cut beats, okay? Here we go. 10, 11, 12, and... 12 and 10, 11, 12 and I guess I'm a little fired up to share this with you. I got a little ahead of the beat both times, or all 3 times actually. So now I'll take this up to 112 and see if I can stay on the beat. All right, 10, 11, 12, and 11, 12. 11, 12, and there you go. So hopefully you enjoy that work. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Take this slow and make sure to do the other stuff to build up to this, okay? Have a great day. Get to practicing.